The Xumo Box is designed to work seamlessly with Spectrum remotes. First, power on your Xumo Box and TV. Locate your Spectrum remote. Models like URC 2060 or Clier 5 are common. Press and hold the setup button until the remote's light flashes. Enter the appropriate code for Xumo. Try 0171, 0216, or 12049. Check Spectrum's website for your specific remote model. After entering the code, test the remote's functionality by changing channels or adjusting the volume. If it doesn't work, repeat the process with a different code. For faster pairing on updated remotes, use the Spectrum app version 6.2 or later to program via your smartphone. To control your TV with the Spectrum remote, ensure the remote is assigned to the TV mode. This allows you to adjust volume and power using the remote's TV controls. If pairing fails, ensure there's no IR interference from lights or other devices. Try a factory reset on the remote or use Spectrum's auto search feature to cycle through codes. Keep your Xumo Box firmware updated for optimal performance. If you experience lag with HDMI-CC, try alternative codes or contact Spectrum support. Common issues include volume control problems, which can often be resolved with code 0171.